Hey there, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here, and today I'm going to be telling you about this Topoak inflatable memory foam air mattress. Now, if you have a Stellar, a Galaxy, most of their tents, this thing is intended for use with those rooftop tents. So I have a Stellar rooftop tent, and I'm going to be adding this thing to the stock mattress that comes with it as a great option to get you some more comfort and some more support for shoulders. You know, if you're a side sleeper, things like that, I am, then this is going to give you more support than that stock mattress. So if you've been looking for something that is just perfect for your Topoak tent, this may be the best option for you, and I'm going to show you everything about it today. So let's dive into the Topoak memory foam inflatable mattress.
Sandstorm, I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip.
All right, so today I'm talking about the Topoak rooftop tent combo air mattress / memory foam mattress. So this thing is really, really cool. And I know that a lot of us, when we buy rooftop tents, especially like a Topoak or something like that, that's on the more budget side, pricing wise, you know that the mattress is just generally not going to be that great. So as an option to increase your comfort and to improve the experience you have with their tents, they came out with this inflatable memory foam mattress, which is awesome and intended, again, just for these tents. So again, I have this Topoak Stellar up there. It also works with the Galaxy Pro, the Galaxy Light, and the Nebula and the regular old Galaxy. So it works with a number of their tents and is intended to just fit perfectly up inside of there. So again, today I'm going to throw this thing up there. I'm going to inflate it. I'm going to show it to you guys. I've been running a Hest in mine and just doing it sort of solo, but then whenever my wife comes with me, I've got to pop that thing out. I've got to put the stock mattress back in because obviously the Hest is only wide enough for one person. So I have a Hest Foamy Wide, which is about 30 inches across there. And overall, it's been pretty great. But again, it's just not intended for, you know, more than one person. And it's not really fit for that tent. There is a ton of space beside it that is unutilized when I've got that mattress up there. So when we throw this thing up here, I'm going to show you how it's going to fit perfectly. But as far as airing it up goes and stuff, it's very standard, right? You got a couple of straps. So if you do want to remove this, I plan to leave this in the tent. But if you do want to remove this, then you can basically wrap it up, fold it down, attach these straps on it to get it secured, and then put it in the bag, which they actually give you a ton of extra space. As you can see here, it's plenty big. So if you can't get it quite as, you know, aired down and flat as it comes from the factory, they give you space in the bag so you don't have to mess with trying to wrestle this thing into the bag. It's got a ton of space in there. Now, as far as dimensions goes, this thing is about 80 inches long by 53 inches across and about 4 inches thick. So this is a 4-inch memory foam air mattress, which is amazing, right? From a comfort standpoint, it's going to be amazing. And the fact that you can then deflate it and get it really, really flat means I can leave it in there and I don't have to worry about taking this thing out every time I leave camp. This is made of scratch-resistant TPU material. It's got this kind of like felt kind of feel to it, so it's going to be comfortable. You're not going to slide around on it. It doesn't feel like a lot of those air mattresses that feel like you're laying on a balloon. And it does come with a 2-year warranty too. So that is a nice thing. Is with anything inflatable, of course, you always worry about potentially puncturing it or something like that. You do get a 2-year warranty on this thing. So if anything were to happen or a seal would fail or anything like that, they're going to take care of you. All right, guys, so I just wanted to show you this inside of the tent here. This is what the mattress looks like when it's all aired up. I actually slept on this last night, and it was super comfortable. So if you're looking for something that is as close to your bed at home, then something like this makes a ton of sense. And this thing's under $200. So again, to get a 4-inch memory foam air combo mattress for $199 is a steal of a deal. And I've run this tent for the last 1.5 years or so, and it has been just awesome. Now, in addition to that, they also provide with the air mattress this really nice compressed air duster. So this is the case for it. And I'm going to take you over here and I'm going to show you the duster here in a second. But it's got multiple attachments. So you can even use this kind of as a vacuum. You can use this to air up that air mattress that I just showed you in the tent. You can use it to, you know, blow the dust off. Dave and I were using this a second ago to blow dust off the table from Topoak over here. So I'll show you that. So this is the actual duster itself. And I mean, this thing is like a super fast, high-speed blower. So let's just do this to the fire here really quick. So you hold this button on the side to turn it on. Then the trigger basically adjusts the speed from 1, 2 to 3. And then you can blow that into the fire and basically stoke the fire. So I use this all the time because I don't want to be doing this by hand, you know. turn that off there. So you can use this thing to stoke your fire. You can use it to blow off your table when you get a bunch of ashes or leaves on it. So we were just using this just a second ago to blow off our chairs and the table here. And again, that is included with the air mattress, which is awesome. All right, guys, so that is going to do it for the Topoak inflatable mattress video. I might take a nap if I'm being completely honest. It's been a long day and the weather's perfect. So anyways, hopefully that was helpful for you. If it was, click that like button. As I mentioned, there will be a link in the description down below to this mattress. So if you want to pick this up for yourself, if you've been kind of struggling with getting good sleep in your Topoak tent, this would probably help with that. So definitely check that out through the link down below. Of course, there will be links to all my social channels down there as well. So wherever you want to come follow along, I'd love to have you. There's also a link to my website where I've got funny overlanding camping themed patches and stickers, things like don't burn your wiener and it's a hot dog, or F people, let's go overlanding. So if you're into that kind of stuff, you want to decorate your rig or your fridge or something, check out those patches and stickers. Also below this video is a join button, which is just sort of a passive way to support the channel. It gets you early access to the videos and the podcasts that I do. Or if you want to be more involved with all things overlanding, there is a link to my Patreon page where we've got a 24/7 Discord. We all kind of chat on that and share memes and things. There's also a once a month Zoom call, and then we're going on a couple trips a year. So if that sounds good, check that out. And then last but not least, there's a link to the Newbie Overlanders Facebook group. Now this group is totally free to join. Awesome people in it, over 30,000 at the time I'm recording this. But if you are looking for a place to actually ask questions, to learn about overlanding, or if you want to help people and you're tired of the bullying and the big groups, then this may be a good place for you, and we'd love to have you there as well. So again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.